in chains, walking down, won't look up, won't look round. I'm walking down, I'm walking down. Cast my eyes up to the sky. I pray for rain, I pray for rain. Cast my eyes so way up high. I pray for something.
You have mentioned a few different approaches to life. The philosophy, it's also called Ubuntu. And I had the opportunity to scroll through your book. I haven't read it yet through thoroughly, but I'm looking forward to it. Can you a bit explain how do you recognize the presence of Ubuntu? What is that? Is this some sort of philosophy and not the rock bottom, I would say, but is this the foundation that we can build our lives upon in the future?
Yes, yeah, I think you explained it correctly. And thank you, by the way. You're the first one that received my book, so I hope you are enjoying it so far.
Yes.
So to go back to Ubuntu, I get acquainted with this philosophy really mostly when I arrived to South Africa, and because of Nelson Mandela's legacy once again, and because he was preaching more about this philosophy. So I really got interested in knowing more about this particular philosophy. And it's really simple. As I put it down in the article that I wrote for Naudichni Me, for Inspire Me, it's really about humanity, togetherness, oneness. Ubuntu, it's this universal bond that we all share that connects us. Ubuntu, it's not about good words and good intentions. Ubuntu, it's all about good actions. And Ubuntu, it's also living for the greater good of your community. And this is not just your family, your immediate partner, but for the greater good of the community. And to give you an example, I just want to quickly summarize some of the pillars that somehow support Ubuntu. And I will just name 4 tonight. The first pillar is caring. Caring for the people in your community for the greater good again. Caring in a way that you share their sorrows and that you share their victories, that you live with their successes and that you also live with their failures, and that you are somehow their backbone, their support structure. The second one is sharing without expecting anything in return. The third one is empathy and humility, which is, again, try to put yourself into an emotional situation of another person and listen and be of help. And the final pillar for tonight is respect in Ubuntu. And respect, it's also for the broader community. Respect for the elders, first of all, respect for the children, respect for the environment, and respect for all living creatures. And to just show you how I have interpreted Ubuntu in the last couple of weeks, with everything that was happening in around the world with the coronavirus, all the traces of Ubuntu were very seen in this crisis. So if I talk about sharing, it transpired in the way people were sharing goods between one another, between people volunteering, assisting the healthcare system, neighbors finally talking more to each other and assisting each other. And this is somehow the sharing part, the caring, again, caring for other people. Empathy and humility is humility for the people that have been struggling in this situation, people that have been passing away, doctors that have been passing away as well. And also the sharing and caring, you could see it probably with people coming out on the balconies by singing, by dancing, by applauding the healthcare system, the frontline workers. And the final one, which is respect, again, even that could be seen in this particular situation of the coronavirus, because respect for the elders, for the kids, for the environment, respect for everybody so that we can isolate and we can fight this pandemic together so that it finally leaves us alone. So that's somehow Ubuntu, and I think we should all apply it in our daily life. I think it's a must do from now on, because this is what has been really missing, not just in times of crisis. I hope that from now on neighbors will talk to each other more, will help to each other more. And maybe this will make us realize that we were more disconnected than we were ever before.
Walking down, I'm walking down. Cast my eyes up to the sky. I pray for rain, I pray for rain. Cast my eyes so way up high. I pray for something. Got my feet in chains and I'm feeling so down. My soul's playing round with the devil.